This is a project that I did at a shop that I apprentice at. We're making several of these tensioner pulleys. This is 6 layers of marine grade plywood that's laminated together. We'll come in, drill them, bore them, and then machine them down, turn them down to the correct diameter. They'll go on a shaft, and then the other end will go into a plug or into a cylinder that will help tension the machine. It's unusual, I guess, to do woodwork in a machine shop, but you never know what you're going to do from day to day. Thought y'all might enjoy this.